Vehicles are big fans of both. The crew will manoeuvre the aircraft to counteract the swing of the load hits the airflow. The aircraft now returns to drop off the underslung load and complete what is called an operational drop-off. This is a confined rapid drop of a load in spot and egress away from the threat. It's used in a dusty or high-threat environment to get important supplies rapidly onto the battlefield. Again there's the crew departing with an over the shoulder, presenting that ballistic draw to the enemy as they depart. Crew now sets off once more into a wing over, and then they're going to set up for a running landing. This is used in situations where performance